Hello, my name is Sanakoli John. I'm a canoe sailor from Norcat Island, Milne Bay Province, Papua New Guinea. I want to talk about the important about canoes in Milne Bay Province. We use sailing canoes to go out fishing, diving. In cooler trade, we use sailing canoes to go to the islands for our culture, exchanging bagi and mali, exchanging fish for yams, food for clay pots. So we use sailing canoes traveling around the Milne Bay Province, making money. The problem is our young youths now used to dinghies now, and at this moment they don't know how to make our traditional sailing canoes and canoes. Now the dinghy prices are high, and they charge us all our markets that we load. Zoom prices are expensive. So what I want to do to help the people is I want to start a group called Pasana Group. We'll start teaching and building canoes and selling canoes. Teach youths to sail canoes. Teach them to travel safely on the sea, to preserve the traditional knowledge. Tourism can use these canoes, taking guests around the province. So, my dream for future is to start as canoeing school. Chainsaw for cutting down that big trees, sorting them, generator for night, copper nails for building the canoe, the sail, mobiles for contacting, laptop for storing the photos, and safety equipment. I'm saying please help Pasana Group.